Hello everyone, welcome to GATE Academy, welcome to Unacademy. So there is a big announcement for GATE Aspirants. If you are preparing for GATE 2024 or GATE 2025, so as you know, this GATE exams will be conducted by ISC Bangalore and IIT Roorkee. IIT Roorkee means GATE 2025 and ISC Bangalore means GATE 2024. So to enhance your GATE preparation, we have launched the course in English language. So if we talk about the students who are not very much comfortable with Hindi, then for those guys we have launched this English course. This English course will be available in recorded format. You can watch this course in mobile, you can watch this course in your laptop or desktop. Here, if I talk about especially the civil engineering students, so we have provided total 938 hours content, which includes your all technical subjects and mathematics with aptitude also. So your entire GATE syllabus will be taught here. A small subject like engineering mechanics will be provided here. Means the entire subjects, the entire syllabus will be provided with a very less amount, and that amount is 5499 for 15 months and for 30 months 7499. If you are preparing for GATE 2024, this subscription is very good for you. If you are preparing for GATE 2025, then 30 months subscription will be very good for you. For additional discount on these prices, you can apply the code GA1111. If you don't have this much money, EMI options are also given there. Okay, EMI option is also there. You have to, when you apply the code, see, when you apply the code GA1111, monthly 225 rupees you have to pay. 225. It's a very small amount, 225. Even pizza is also not available with the price of 225, right? So, but the GATE course is available for you, where all the top educators of GATE Academy will be teaching the subjects in English language. If I talk about myself, so I will be discussing geotechnical engineering and reinforced cement concrete in this particular course. So see, almost 950 hours content means you should understand how much data has been delivered. In the deep, in detail, everything will be covered. You people will definitely enjoy. So what we do here, whenever a teacher will teach the content, after teaching the content, he will be solving the number of questions based on that content. For example, I am teaching the properties of soil. Then after teaching the properties of soil, I will be solving the number of questions based on GATE, based on engineering services, based on civil services. So this number of questions and some highly expected type of questions, the questions created by me, will be discussed there. So you people will enjoy, you people will learn, and proudly you will say, okay, this course was very helpful, and you will suggest to your friends also, I know, because this course has been designed under the guidance of all top educators and taught by all top educators. So we will definitely enjoy. That's my promise. Course can be watched, as I discussed, in the mobile, means Android app, and can be watched in the browsers, meaning the laptop or desktop you can see. Okay, this is the price. The last thing, don't forget to apply GA1111 code for 10% additional discount. EMI option is there, just 225. After applying this code, 225 rupees per month subscription is there, so that you can see. So this is particular for GATE 2024 and for GATE 2025. Fine. So at the end, a big congratulations from my side, and I hope you people will definitely crack the GATE. My wishes are with you. My guidance will be with you. God bless you.